Hello and welcome to World Traveler Cooking, where we cover interesting foods and interesting cuisines from around the world. Today I have here a breadfruit called in Bahasa Indonesia, Sukun. Now, you may have heard about breadfruit, maybe Mutiny on the Bounty, etc. These are actually very interesting. They grow on trees and they have a texture kind of like a potato in some respects. So, people here do sometimes turn them into tape, and so I'm going to make tape sukun today. So, only two ingredients, tape, ragi, tape, and sukun. So, we're going to go ahead and try this. It should take 2 to 3 days. And basically I'm just going to peel this. I will video cutting it open because I figure that people will be interested in this. But then I'll peel it, cut it into pieces, steam it, and then add the ragi to that. So, let's go ahead and get started. So, I'm first of all going to start by cutting this lengthwise. And inside you'll see it's basically starchy, etc. I have a little bit of a brown spot there I'll have to cut out. But this looks okay. So, just going to cut that part out. But yeah, this is the inside of the breadfruit. So, I'm going to cut it into wedges and peel it, and then I'll be back. So here we have the whole thing cut into pieces. The dark pieces, for the most part, pulled out. And this is smelling just a little fruity, which is normal. So I'm going to add some water to the bottom of this, and we'll set it on to steam. Once it boils, we'll let it steam for 10 minutes, and then we'll be back. So it's now been 10 minutes, so we're going to let this cool. Obviously, we don't want to kill our culture. So I've taken this off the heat. Sorry about that beeping in the background, laundry. In maybe 5 minutes or so, I should be able to start moving this out of here. So if I were to eat this now, it would have a texture very similar to cassava. It's not particularly hot anymore, so I'm going to go ahead and set a few of them over like this. And I'm going to take one of my tape tablets and sprinkle some of the yeast over the top of this layer. And then I will layer another layer on top and do the same. And I'll keep doing it until I have all of my breadfruit done. So I have this divided into 2 containers now. So we'll be back tomorrow to see if we see the stuff growing on it. So after day 1, we see a healthy amount of this mold-looking stuff, and the texture is starting to fall apart, which is good. This is exactly what we want, and so I'll probably be back tomorrow to check and perhaps taste it at that point. So, let's come back tomorrow. So, after about 48 hours, the moldy looking stuff on the core is disappearing, and there's liquid starting to pool on the bottom. So, I think I'm ready for a taste test here. And now for the taste test. So the flavor on this is really delicate. You get all of the sort of the standard tape flavors plus, of course, the breadfruit, as opposed to the cassava or the black rice. The breadfruit flavor is actually pretty strong. So I think it's actually tastes stronger of breadfruit than, for example, when I've had fried breadfruit. Don't really know how to describe that flavor, but it's very pleasant, and with the tape flavors, it comes across as pretty fruity. This was actually really good. I think so far it's my favorite tape. I remember at one point Oma Liam had tried to make some for me, and that one had not come out. But so I'd always wanted to try it since then. So got a chance now, and it is absolutely delicious. If you find this content interesting, you'd like to see more of it, please like, share, and subscribe. If you have anything to say about this video, I'd love to hear from you in the comments. If you're watching on YouTube or Patreon, the recipe is in the description. Bon appetit, and see you next week.